Number 1158 Victor, squawk 4355.
4355, 1158 Victor.
Number 4 Mike Pop, turn right heading 250.
Right turn, 250, Mike Pop, thank you.
Number 1158 Victor, radar contact over the Captree Bridge.
Roger, over the Captree Bridge, 1158 Victor.
Terminal stage 77, traffic 9 o'clock at a mile westbound 2800.
Inside Terminal stage 77. Approach Navajo 191 Tango Alpha 5500.
Navajo 191 Tango Alpha, New York approach, control, good morning, altimeter 2998, what's your destination?
Good morning, going to Providence, Papa Victor Delta 191 Tango Alpha.
Alright, thanks, good morning, altimeter 2998.
998.
Number 4 Tango, traffic 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock, 8 miles westbound of Pilatus at 8.
Looking for traffic, November 4 Tango.
Cronus 425, turn right 280, join Victor 139. Actually, Cronus 425, tell you what, just go direct MJ. Direct MJ, maintain 10,000. Cronus 425, go direct MJ, maintain 10,000. Cronus 425, Boston Center 1358. Number 414 Mike Pop, turn right heading 280. And on that heading, you could join the final runway 33 left, contact tower 1193, good day.
1193 and 280 to join the final for Mike Pop.
Number 1158.
Tower 414 Mike Pop's with you on a visual.
414 Mike Pop along the tower, good morning, wind 33017, runway 32 left, good line.
Little and 33 left for Mike Pop.
Long Island Tower, Cessna 9021 Tango Alpha at Shelter with Foxtrot. I'd like to taxi to the active, please.
Cessna 921 Tango Alpha, Long Island Tower, good morning, taxi runway 33 left via Charlie, runway 10.
33 left via Charlie 10 for 1 Tango Alpha. And Long Island Tower, Terminal State 77 is inbound, heading 180 for touch and goes.
Yes, George.
State 77 Long Island Tower, good morning, into the right downwind from runway 33 right, expect touch and goes on the right side.
Good morning, into the right downwind for 33 right, Terminal State 77.
Aircraft calling on ground, change to my frequency.
Long Island Tower, Skyhawk 83. Long Island Tower, Skyhawk 833, Sierra Bravo, on the west side, ready to taxi with information, Foxtrot, touch and goes.
633 Sierra Bravo, Long Island Tower, good morning, taxi runway 33 left via right whiskey, left runway 10, cross runway 6.
33 left, right on whiskey, cross runway 6, 833 Sierra Bravo.
333 left.
Traffic.
That guy's got to be on the ground.
From let's 877 or 33 right, clear touch and go. On the upwind, make right close traffic.
Clear touch and go 33 right and right traffic on the upwind, terminal state 77.
Traffic.
For my pop, let's say parking.
Yeah, we're going to Hawthorne for my cop.
So that was Hawthorne?
Hawthorne, yes sir, for my cop.